Scholars, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus and model question paper for BA 6th semester generic course education. This course is meant for non-education students. This course is meant for those students who are not having education as their core subject. So the title of this course is Issues and Trends in Indian Education, and course code is ED620G. This is not a discipline specific elective course, it is a generic course. You have 6 credits, 4 theory and 2 tutorial. Maximum marks for theory portion is 60 and minimum marks for theory portion is 24. Maximum marks for tutorial portion is 30 and minimum marks for tutorial portion is 12. Now let us discuss the 4 credits of theory portion. In theory portion, you have 4 units. Unit 1 is pre-primary education, unit 2nd is elementary education, unit 3rd is secondary education, unit 4 is higher education. Let's discuss each unit one by one. Unit 1st is pre-primary education, and in this unit you have to study a meaning of pre-primary education. Then you have to study need and importance of pre-primary education. Then you have to study B, problems of pre-primary education. Then you have to study C, curriculum and activities required for pre-primary education. This you have to study in this unit first, that is pre-primary education. Now let us discuss unit 2nd. Unit 2nd is elementary education, and in this unit you have to study a meaning of elementary education, need and importance of elementary education, then problems related to elementary education. Then you have to study B, universalization of elementary education. Then you have to study C, the specific problem that is related to this elementary education, that is wastage and stagnation, causes of wastage and stagnation, and remedial measures, how to overcome to solve these problems, that is problem of wastage and stagnation. Next unit, that is unit 3rd, is secondary education, and in this unit you have to study a meaning of secondary education, need and importance of secondary education, and problems related to secondary education. Then you have to study principles of curriculum construction, and then you have to study C, recommendations of secondary education commission, that is recommendations of Mudaliar commission regarding secondary education. Then you have to study D, RAMSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan. Unit 4 is higher education, and in this unit you have to study a meaning of higher education, need and importance of higher education, and problems related to higher education. Then problems and remedial measures related to this higher education. Then you have to study recommendations of Kothari Commission regarding higher education, Daulat Singh Kothari. And then you have to study D, RUSA, Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan. Now let's discuss the tutorial, which is activity based and is having 2 credits. And in this tutorial portion you have 2 units, that is unit 5th and unit 6th. Unit 5th is book review of any of the recommended book in syllabus, that is this, or by teacher concerned, PPT. Seminar presentation on any topic in syllabus. Syllabus is this. Then preparation of glossary or terms on all units, at least 20. Unit 6 is case diary presentation on problems faced by learners at elementary, secondary and higher education level. Number second, seminar presentation or assignment writing from unit 1st to 4th. That is now recommended books. Number first is Development of Education System in India by J.C. Agarwal, published by Anmol Publications Private Limited, New Delhi. So these are some other recommended books. Now let's discuss the model question paper. Total number of questions 9, total number of pages 1, time allowed 2 hours, maximum marks 60, minimum marks 24. Note: attempt all questions from section A and B and only 2 questions from section C. Section A, short answer type questions to be answered in 20 words. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Question number 1. Part 1, write 3 causes of wastage and stagnation in elementary education. Number 2, what do you understand by early childhood care and education? Number 3, why is it important to impart pre-primary education to children? Number 4, is Pillay method feasible to be used on higher education level? Give reason. Number 5, what is the age range for elementary education in India? Number 6, enlist a few recommendations of Secondary Education Commission. Number 7, RAMSA stands for. When was it launched? Number 8, what are the 2 major problems associated with pre-primary education? Section B, medium answer type questions to be answered in about 150 words. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Question number 2, how can we bring about quality control in higher education? Or what are the initiatives taken by the government to ensure the quality of higher education in India? Question number 3, critically analyze the recommendations of the Kothari Commission for promoting higher education in India. Or how have the recommendations of Kothari Commission impacted the higher education sector in India? Question number 4, discuss the challenges faced by the Indian education system in achieving universalization of elementary education. Or what are the major strategies and initiatives taken by the government to address the challenges in achieving universalization of elementary education? Question number 5, how can vocational education at secondary education level help in preparing students for the job market? Or what are the major challenges faced in implementing vocational education in India? Section C, long answer type questions to be answered in about 300 words. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Question number 6, how can play-based learning help in shaping a child's overall personality? Explain with examples and also highlight the challenges faced in implementing play-based learning in pre-primary education. Question number 7, what are the major factors that contribute to the poor quality of higher education and how can these factors be addressed? Question number 8, what are the recommendations of Secondary Education Commission and discuss the impact of these recommendations on our education system. Question number 9, discuss in detail causes and remedial measures for wastage and stagnation in elementary education. So this was all regarding the syllabus and model question paper for BG 6th semester generic elective course, Education Issues and Trends in Indian Education. Hope this video was beneficial for you and you enjoyed this video. If really, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe.